All right, hey everybody, Popcan Dan. Boy, oh boy, look at this little house on the prairie. I'm expecting to see Laura Ingalls come running over this hill. This is phenomenal, all right? This is phenomenal. We got the special permission, and do you know who got this permission? Once again, check this out. There he is. There he is, the Bradford Beeper, the man from Clad. I call him the Clad man. So this is his permission. Look at this, man. Like, we were way down there. If you see that barn somewhere over there, we were there the last time. He's got permission for pretty much, I think, as far as the eye can see. There's a beautiful old house up there. I think after we may be going over to the field way over there, like 2 fields over after. Anyways, apparently there's stuff here on this mound. We're gonna hit it and we're gonna see what we get, all right? Hang tight. All right, got the first signal here. I just want to take a quick second to look at the background. Woo, man, what a beautiful view, I am telling you. Okay, let's have a look here, what we got. Okay, there it is right there. It was in the hole 4 inches. Don't know exactly what it is. Piece of iron with some kind of something or other. You know, the doohickey thing. What does Redbeard call it? The thingamajig whacker. There you go. All right, so just over the hill here. It was deep. This one was 6 inches down. I'm looking at this. It's like a piece of iron, but I really don't know, man. It looks like it's intricate on the inside, like there's some design or something. But I think I know what it is. Let me turn the camera around and show you. I was right. I knew what it was. It's another C3POI. I do say R2. Oh my gosh. Oh, the beeper's gonna think I'm out of my mind. Where's the beeper? He's way, there he is, the little guy, like right there. There he is. Way over the hill. I just got a pretty cool signal here. It looks like maybe trash, but it's old trash. That's the cool thing. Look at that, it's old patina. And I can't even say trash because I don't know what it is. It's nice, got that nice green patina to it. I don't know, unfortunately, what it is. But hey, that's cool. You know what? That means there's old stuff here on this hill. We're doing good, right on. Okay, so the beepster came over the hill. What is that? Jack and Jill went over the hill, down the hill to fetch a rosehead nail. Yeah, man, look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, she's a beauty.
That's not square on the top, man. That is round. That is huge. Like me, I'm round and huge. And sorry, I'll just have a quick look. And in my hole here, I think I got a part of a spoon. I just cleaned it up, and it looks like there's a design on this side. I think it's part of a spoon handle, possibly. That's pretty neat. That's good. That's a good sign. The hills are alive. All right, so we are hitting we're right on top of the slope here now, and I got something cool in the hole. Excited. I'm excited. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. All right, the beepster's right there, the Clad man, and we come down right here in the hole. Oh, it's out of the hole already. There it is. Check that out. Pretty neat old buckle. Iron. I think it's iron, man, because it's really rusting away, but not bad. Not bad at all, eh? That's a pretty decent find, that's for sure. All right, I called the beeper. He was way over the hill. All I could see was his head. I'm gonna call him over, and I told him if it's not what I think it is, I'll do something really silly or bad, or I'll run far away or do whatever, but I have a
heart attack here.
I have a feeling in my sidewall. What do you think you see there?
Oh, I see a skeleton key. I think the handle to a key.
That's what I think I see as well. Yeah, skeleton key.
Got some green to it.
Yeah. Yeah. So right there.
Either that or it's a sardine can.
If it's a sardine can, you can whoop my ass all over this hill, I'm telling you.
It looks like it.
Oh, sorry, whoop my behind.
Yeah.
Ass is okay. That's a donkey, man. We're fine. Okay, here we go. Anyways, enough of that. Here we go. And it is a skeleton key.
Good
Woo!
job.
Let's get a fist bump in there.
That's awesome.
Yes, it looks like the little part is a little snipped off, but it is a skeleton key. Man, if that was a sardine can, I would have been running. So there we go. Skeleton key, that's my second one this year, and that's only my second one ever, so very cool. Looks like we're on the right spot.
We are. That's good.
Awesome. Okay, so there we are. Hey man, look at that beautiful skeleton key, and it's not even broken. I think that's just the way the teeth are on it. I don't think it's broken because it's patinaed on the bottom too. Woo, man, oh man, nice find. That's my second one ever, and I found the first one earlier this year, back near my house, and these have been eluding me for 25 years, and I finally got two of them in the same year. Pretty crazy stuff. All right, beepers way down the hill there. I told him, I said, get back up on top of the hill. I'm starting to find stuff, and guess what? I just got something else pretty cool. Check this out. Really neat, really neat. Check this out. Okay, right down here. So it was reading 6 inches. I popped it out, and looky there. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh, she's nice and small. That is beautiful. And it's fully intact. I'm talking and it's drifting away. Yeah, look at the chrono bell. Wow, isn't that awesome? That's a beautiful chrono. I do that every time. My apologies. Look at that. Ooh boy, very nice. Yeah. Okay, calling the beeper over to my hole here. I got something round and silver. I backed away from it because it gave me a scare. Where did it go?
Oh, there it is. It's bright. Shut up.
Look at that. Don't know what it is. It's probably 1994 or something. 1994 clad. I think it might be. It is.
How?
4 inches. Oh my goodness. That's why it was reading 22.
They plow the fields here, so he could have dropped it.
4 inches. 4 inches down. Wow, farmer from 2015. Oh no! Hey man, that is funny. That's good stuff. Anyways, that's good for a joke. Wait a minute, you didn't plant that, did you?
No, I didn't. I would have planted it so I could find it. I haven't found anything yet.
Okay, whew, gotta watch the what we're saying before I come on video. I called over the beeper here. I had had something pretty cool in the hole. Check it out. The second one I've ever found. And there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at a glass. Look at that big chunk of old glass too. That's pretty cool. But we got ourselves a thimble. Nice little thimble. It's patinaed, so it's probably brass, I'm assuming. Not bad at all.
It's not glass, right?
I don't know. Let's have a look here. So I get a square nail out of the hole. I'm putting everything back, and just as I'm putting this back, I see this sticking out of the ground. Anyways, let's pull this out and see what we got. It's crushed. Half it's broken, whatever it is. I don't think it's anything too significant. What do you think?
Looked good in the hole.
Yeah, interesting. Okay, we got the beeper coming over. I think I've got myself a large capper. Take a look in the plug there on the corner.
Oh, you bugger.
You bugger.
Yeah, either that or it's a washer. Let's
Yeah,
go
it's
with the
probably
copper.
an old school washer right there. Look at that. Let's slide it in. Oh, it's bent.
Oh,
It's bent. She's a copper and she's bent. Don't know what she is though. Let's clean her up and have a look. Upper Canada?
yeah, so right there's Upper Canada.
Nice.
You want to get? Do you think you could get that a close up of that for?
We're filming.
Oh,
Okay. So what are you reading here?
I'm seeing Upper Canada on the
Yeah.
bottom, right there, and a ship.
And a ship.
All right, and then on the other side it says Commerce.
Commerce. So what did you say was a commerce?
So Upper Canada on the one side, Commerce Exchange.
So you're talking like 2005 then, right?
I wish.
Okay, not bad, not bad. All right, just know you're on film. I do this with Redbeard all the time. I make him come over and look at it.
Well, I gotta. When you said holy schmoly, it's gotta be something good. What am I looking at?
Right in the hole.
Oh, come on. That's a great one.
Look at that, eh?
This is the same. This is where you were, isn't it?
I was like right over there, about 30 feet away.
This is really good.
It's pretty neat, eh?
Yeah, it sure does. Attach.
Yeah, that's weird, eh?
That's awesome. Good going.
Jeez. Sorry to make you run up the hill
No,
here,
that's
but
all right.
the piece of iron I won't mind hanging on to, I guess.
It's a really good one.
Oh, is there? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, I was wondering how it would go on to the handle.
I've never found one like that. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Good going.
Thanks, man. I don't know, man. It looks like there's some stuff here. This is silly. All right. So there we go, man. Look at that. That is a really cool, there we go. That's a little better. Really cool axe head. You can see it had this hole here where it went through. This looks pretty interesting. I'm not sure what that is for. You can see where it's been chipped too a few times, eh? So I don't know, man. I'd like to say it's old because we found it in I found it in a pretty old spot, but somebody let me know online, all right? I'm not a huge axe expert. It looks like the back is built into like a hammer as well. That's pretty cool. Not bad, man, not bad. All right, so the beeper says he's got a 3639 right there, and I'm hoping that is a big honking silver, man. And over here in my hole, I had something 6 inches down, ringing up in the 15. It looks like some kind of latch, some kind of like it looks like that part kind of went in some kind of, oops, it's gone forever. Some kind of latch.
All right.
What, you got it? Okay, the beeper's calling me over. He's on to something good. He is on to something good. It's a coin, yes! We are on to the sector. Oh my, look at the size of that thing. Oh, crikey. What is that?
Oh, we were talking about them this morning. That's a 1 penny.
Are you kidding me?
No. I got a half penny home. Nice too.
You mean holy what?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, look how,
took the 1 penny.
dude, that is in perfect condition. Like, honest to goodness. Oh, it's a Slayer.
What's that say? I can't see.
Oh, I can see.
Can you?
Yeah, 1850. It's a Dragon Slayer.
Ah, diggity dog.
Oh, that's you got to give me some of that. Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
Oh, my.
So it's only been 3 3/4 hours and I finally found something, but that's top pocket.
That is top pocket. That's above the top pocket, man. Oh my gosh, that is.
Where you were digging too.
Yeah, I told them come back up on the hill, and and yeah, so I was literally 4 feet away from my bucket lister right there. There's more. There's more around. We're on to it now. This is the spot. 2 points in 4 feet. All right.
That's the one.
Alrighty, another spoon handle. Very cool. And the man from Clad, he just showed me a spoon he got a few feet away as well. So we are definitely on top of it right here. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, so the Clad man saying he's got a nice button that's got a shankster on it. Let's have a look. Oh, nice design too.
Yeah,
eh?
nice, eh?
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
Can't see any words on the back.
Now it's gone.
It's
It's gone forever.
That's losing.
Another 150 years gone. Nice. Good for you, man.
Good stuff.
All right, man from Cloud right there. I was getting a nice signal right here, and check this out. Look at this. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. It's just. Oh. How cool is that? Look at that. Ooh, she's a keeper, man. I'm eating dinner tonight, baby. All right, what do you got? Look at that. Dang, look at the size of that sucker, eh?
Heavy, still sharp too.
I guess size really does matter. Nice.
Yeah, that's all right.
Man, the finds just keep coming. They keep coming. It's crazy. Crazy. Look at this. Part of a, oh, I dropped it, gone forever. Hang on, I'll find it. Part of a crotobell. Nice old one too with the designs on it. Fortunately broken, but hey, that is awesome, man. Awesome stuff. Okay, so I just came all the way down the hill because the man from Clyde says he's got something good. When he says he's got something good, I gotta come down the hill. So Jack and Jill, no, they went up the hill, eh? No, I'm coming down the hill. Anyways, what do you got, man? Enough of my blabbing. Oh yeah,
It's either a bent token or a double-sided button. There's a guy,
I think
on a horse.
I think it's a button, because I think that little spot right there was the shank.
Yeah, okay, so it's...
But you know, they have those things that I think they call them sportsman's buttons. I think that's what it might be.
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure. I found one with two, just that's the one I posted online there. I had two birds kind of looking at each other.
Okay.
Somebody had said that was a sportsman's button, but I don't know.
Yeah, so
it looks like a two-piece, eh?
A cow or a horse,
Yeah.
someone riding a cow.
That is awesome, man. That's a great find.
Yeah, not bad. It rang up nice too.
All right, everybody. Hey, Pop Can Dan, we are going to close shop on this property. This, by far, was one of the best relic days, well, it's funny because I got two coins. One coin was a 2015 silver quarter, 2015 clad quarter, which I'm like, why is that in the ground here? But then I went over the other side of the hill and I got myself an Upper Canada Commerce token. I still haven't cleaned it up enough to get the date. Just crazy, man. Look at my pocket. Everything I pull out is old, man. Old. Buckles, you name it. I look like a car salesman. We got crotobells, man. We got spoon handles. It's great. It's absolutely great. And I gotta thank the Clad man. There he is. Thanks for definitely bringing me out here, man. This is phenomenal.
No problem. It was good. It was a really, really good day. I was expecting a typical day, but it was a good one.
It was beyond good, man.
It turned out.
The coin that you got. Show that coin one more time. This is the man of the hour. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, Dragon Slayer, 1850 on the nose, and it almost looks like it's made of brass or something crazy.
Yeah. It's an awfully damn good shape, which kind of makes me wonder. But yeah, it's worn. It's worn, but it's got that shine to it.
Absolutely,
the brassy
man.
shine to it.
That is beautiful. You got buttons,
cool buttons,
nice buttons, and you got the big rose head. That is awesome, man. This field here is crazy. I can't thank the man from Cloud enough for bringing me out here. Unbelievable. I'm gonna maybe post some photos of my finds too at the end here. But hey, Pop Can Dan, we're gonna sign off, and we're gonna tell you this: fill in your holes. We dug a ton of holes here, and it's in the middle of the field, but we still filled them in. You know why? Because the farmer comes around and sees that, he's like, dudes, you're out of here, you're gone. So we don't do that. We ask for permission, man. All right? This is the Clad man's permission. I was lucky enough to weasel myself in here again. I don't know how I did it. I just suddenly appeared here. I mean, I don't even know if you invited me. I just came and said, hey, let's start digging. So anyways, permissions, absolutely. Take your trash. We've got all of our trash here on the ground. I don't know if you can see it. We got 2 piles of it. It's got to go with you. And the last thing, don't bully. Please don't bully online, because you know what? You got me. Well, I couldn't fight my way out of a paper bag, but you got him. All right, take care, everybody.